Welcome. Today, you'll learn how to prevent members from sending music files in your Telegram group using the latest update on the PC app. If you're an admin and want to keep your group focused or avoid unwanted music sharing, these steps will help you control what gets posted. First, open the Telegram app on your computer. Make sure you're logged in with the account that has admin rights in the group you want to manage. Next, find and open the group where you want to restrict music sharing. You'll see your chat list on the left. Just click on the group's name to enter. Now, look at the top right corner of the group chat window. You'll see 3 dots, which open a menu with more options. Click on these 3 dots to reveal the drop-down menu. From the menu, select Manage Group. This will take you to the group's management settings, where you can control various permissions and features for your group. Inside the management settings, look for the section labeled Permissions. Click on it to access detailed controls over what members can do in your group. Within Permissions, find the option called Send Media. This is where you can fine-tune what types of media files your group members are allowed to send. To specifically prevent music files from being sent, locate the Music toggle under Send Media. Click to disable this option. Once disabled, members will no longer be able to share music files in the group. Don't forget to click Save at the bottom of the window to apply your changes. This step is crucial. If you skip it, your new settings won't take effect. And that's it. You've now successfully disabled music sharing in your Telegram group on PC. This feature is especially useful for keeping discussions on topic or ensuring your group remains free of unwanted audio files. If you ever want to allow music sharing again, just follow these steps and re-enable the option. Thanks for watching, and enjoy a more organized Telegram group experience.